Hi, have you made it to the video where I will tell you why the mat market has started and it's time to trade according to the new rules so you don't lose money? After watching this video, you will be confident in your actions in the market and you will make money where those traders who didn't watch this video will lose. Be sure to watch the video to the end so that you don't miss important aspects of trading that will determine whether you will be among the losers who will end up in loss, or the winners who will make money in a bear market. A bear market is a time when users mostly sell their assets, which causes the value of cryptocurrencies and the market as a whole to drop. And as hamsters burrow into their losses during this phase, for fear of losing even more after previously losing trades, professionals enter the market and use their tools to make X profits. What exactly are the tools that more experienced traders use, and why does it bring profit seemingly in an objectively unprofitable phase of the market? Not everything is so simple. The market is cyclical. Bullish phases alternate with bearish ones only if during the buying pressure the priority falls mainly on buying the asset during the bearish phase on selling. But why does this happen? There are two reasons, and there are also the methods that experienced traders capitalize on. Opening short-term positions. When everything is falling, it is pointless to buy here and now. It is much more reliable to study the coin and determine when approximately the time for its regrowth will come and enter a deal to lower the price in short until that time. That way, when the longs are losing, you will make money on the price drop. Buying assets at low cost on the spot, few traders take advantage of this way of making money. Although it is obvious that the bear market ends sooner or later and it is time for a bull market. That is why buying coins at the lowest cost and selling during the bull season will allow you to achieve high returns. What should you not do during a bear market? Keep an eye on the news and market situation. If you don't, you risk losing your money right from the start of trading. News is fundamental to asset appreciation and depreciation. By ignoring the news background, you can accept the fact that you can go against the price trend, fail to enter a trade at the best entry point, and of course lose capital. The market is built on manipulation. That's why in the run-up to Fed meetings, experienced traders are waiting for positive news about Bitcoin or Ethereum and preparing orders in the long direction, while a bear market implies short. Take into account the news background and be safe. Do not invest all your money in one cryptocurrency, especially doubtful or useless for the crypto industry. As a rule, beginners suffer from this, but often such mishaps happen to more experienced market participants. Those traders who have in their portfolio assets with high capitalization, usefulness, prospects will not lose a significant part of the deposit on the rate difference because they have a balanced portfolio. Some cryptocurrency is growing, some is decreasing in price, and due to this difference, the investor has the opportunity to offset the loss on one coin at the expense of profit on the other. Needless to say, what will happen to a trader who invests all his money in a coin that is known to be unprofitable or just one that will lose value in a bear market? It's not Bitcoin that represents the entire world of digital currencies. Less title coins are more susceptible to market manipulation, and it's easier to lose money on them. Remember about the risks of failing rates and do not forget to put stop losses when trading. A bear market implies the most probable outcome of falling assets in the price. That is why you need to put a stop loss to every trade you enter, otherwise you risk running into high volatility of the cryptocurrency market, which will simply burn your deposit. There are many situations when traders left trades in long even with minimal leverage, left their workplace, and when they came back, they saw that their deposit was liquidated during the next Bitcoin drop or big sale. Don't be afraid to sell at a slight disadvantage. If the exchange rate starts to fall, you can always buy at a reduced price and recoup your losses. Do not stick to the rule that a loss exists only when you have closed the deal. Sometimes a prop-traded stay in a minus order can only multiply your losses, which can go as far as liquidation of the deposit. Do not be greedy to lose here and now a percentage of the capital. It is much better than losing in the entire deposit. Be prepared for drawdowns. they're not just words. It is important to be mentally prepared for the fact that during a bear market, the deposit may decrease. And this is completely normal because all cryptocurrency loses value during this period in order to grow to completely different values in the future. Your task is not just to invest in assets at this time, but also to observe the insurances and level the risks, to set a stop loss, enter into transactions no more than 2% of the deposit. Do not overestimate the leverage. Write in the comments, guys, if you managed to make money during the bear market and on which coins. This is really interesting. Be sure to read the comments of others to consolidate the list of working assets to achieve profits during this season. So patterns that will work during the bear market. I won't talk about candlestick analysis in this section, as we are interested in a strong and long-lasting pattern that we should work on with the highest probability of our direction in short down price. The first pattern is an accidenting triangle. Its tops should be in contact with the horizontal line and the points of the minimum should follow the trend. It is important to enter exactly from the horizontal line. The level of resistance, the end of this pattern will be shedding of the price down, respectively. It's false. One of the most popular figures is the descending triangle. It is often confused with the symmetrical triangle, but the important difference between them is that in the descending triangle, the low points touch the horizontal line and the upper ones follow the trend, while the symmetrical triangle consists of two lines, descending and ascending without horizontals. It dictates the price increase from the lower points, while the descending triangle closes with a price decrease from the upper one. An expanding triangle is a figure within which the short movement must be entered strictly from its upper point of contract, with the rising line and profit taking entirely on the falling line. It consists of two diagonals directed against each other and leads to short movement from its upper points. List of coins where you can open in the short directions, guys, and make money during a bear market. Meme coins, Shed especially big, put them on your list. Doc, Shiba, Pepe, Bolden, Tramp. Despite the significant jump in Bitcoin Cash 131% and Stacks 143%, Tier 1 and Tier 2 network coins have been outsiders and their growth rates pale in comparison to meme coin leader Brat 7,728% and Doc with that 2,721. It's important to realize that not all meme coins will rise after their fall if you decide to buy them at the end of the bear market. On the Solana blockchain alone, about 500k quasi tokens were minted in the first quarter, the vast majority of which turned out to be stillborn. If all coins that represent groups were analyzed, meme coins would be on the opposite end of the list. So it is much more profitable during the bear market to concentrate on short trading and at the end of the bear cycle to buy back only popular meme tokens with high market capitalization, which were mentioned earlier. It is also worth considering popular altcoins. BNB, Ethereum, ADA, XRP. As a rule, they go down in line with the market in the same volume as Bitcoin or so-called digital gold. We do not recommend to consider altcoins with small capitalization because after the bear market, when you earn on the decline in short, it will be hard for you to get their growth after the growth of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So all the valuable profit you risk to leave in the same movement and be left with nothing. On those coins mentioned above, you can easily make money in short as well as the spot market at the end of the BAM cycle. In my Telegram channel, I published a coin on which I made 1,500% in short during the last BAM cycle. You can pick it up for free by subscribing to the link in the description to this video, guys. If you don't want to experience FOMO and you are tired of investing in losing trades, then I'm gladly waiting for you in my Telegram channel where we discuss trends and help new buys to earn their first capital without liquidations. The link to the Telegram channel is available in the description below this video, guys. Once again, I remind you that the best coin for trading in short I publish in my Telegram, so don't forget to subscribe there. Have time to go and subscribe while the link for 100 activation is valid. Good luck on the market, guys. Have a good day, everyone, and I wish you only successful trading sessions. Till the next video, bye.